here we have the next anchor kit.
And it is not open.
Oh, is it not? Hang on, let me.
I thought you were opening them.
Yes, I was. Bear with me. Try again. So this is a Christmas decoration kit, and it will be making a bear head with a Santa hat and a reindeer head.
Theme paper.
And that is the black thread.
I see. It's slightly thicker stuff.
Yeah, that's red and white.
What are those?
They'll be for the actual head. It looks like the little ones are for the Santa hats.
I see.
And then that's brown for the main bear and the reindeer head. And then that's white. There's the stuffing, and here's the...
So it's a bear head with a Santa hat?
Yes.
And
it's a bear head wearing a Santa hat, and then a reindeer head. And the reindeer head's got a little crocheted bow underneath its severed head.
What?
Okay, so then the instructions, it's intermediate. And in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, the instructions in 9 languages. That's good. And so magic ring, 6 double crochet, and then continue following chart 1.
There's a diagram.
Yeah. Oh yes, diagrams are in the back of the instruction booklet. They're not separate this time.
Okay. So easy for you to follow.
Well,
like me.
I will just. It gives you this. It tells you the stitches, so I'll just read the stitches out. But yeah, it looks like you just go round and round. It looks like a normal toy head that you make. So instead of going on to make the rest of the body, you'll just have the decapitated head as a lovely children's Christmas decoration. Lovely. So this one calls for a 3mm hook.
Oh, good.
So that'll be better for you, won't it?
It will.
And again, it says the finished item is about 8mm. Centimetres. 8 centimetres. I bet you had a moment of absolute panic in your face.
It's bigger than that.
Yes, that looks like fun. And considering how many kits we've got, you should just about have it ready by Christmas.
If I start that one first.
Yeah.